Alrighty, today's task is going to be putting an exhaust or muffler on the wife's 2000 Tahoe.
Cherry bombs.
No cherry bombs.
Cherry bombs.
But it is
pipes.
straight pipes. Make it clap.
Clap.
Make it clap. But it is a budget exhaust. I got less than 40 dog hairs. Less than 40 dog hairs in both these mufflers. We're only going to put one on here. Should sound pretty good. It's a faux master, you know. You can tell by the design they're all the same, that shape or whatnot. But here Joe's.
Just want to hang off the side of the golf cart.
Pin it. Pin it. I hear the tiki tiki.
Louder muffler. Shut that right up. Yeah, you won't even hear that much. You put a dang good muffler on it.
It sounds tiggy. I don't even hear exhaust. I just hear tick right now.
Say about lifters? Say lifters, Dan? They'll pump up.
I started with a dead battery.
Well, that's...
Oh God, there's no bars. Pause. Where did I start?
You got both of them already? Oh, the wide, so you have to...
We'll drop it down the hanger and it's gonna be another thing on it.
No.
There's the big water buffalo.
You spray some piss on
Done.
the hanger.
Exhaust.
Crank it
Done.
to the floor.
You gotta get my wrist warmed up.
Pull this big hefty one.
Yee! Weight reduction.
Reducting. Today the Tahoe lost 30 pounds.
That's the same size as that old drum behind my grandma's old house.
I can cut that open and make it a suitcase.
Trying to make it some
God!
like a smoker or something out of that.
That's huge.
And then we got little baby mufflers put on that.
Little baby
Alright,
muffler.
let's fit these up and we'll start videoing again or something.
You gotta do a lot of grinding and stuff.
What goes inside? That is not a 2.5 ID muffler.
Maybe that's 2 3/4. Oh well.
Alright, got it figured out what I'm gonna do at least right now. I won't be able to make the stock tailpipe work. I don't believe. I'm gonna see if I can make it work with a 90 or so, but I don't think it's gonna happen. It needs like a 70-degree bend or something other, but that's grinded down, and let's see which one. You see right there. That kind of like goes inside of that one. Not quite, but it tries to. So I'm gonna go get a piece of pipe to extend out to go over the mouth of that, and then over the mouth of this. That way it gets the muffler kind of centered right there in the heat shield. And then I'm gonna have an exhaust shop work my tailpipe back. But for now, I'm just gonna get it tacked up there and just have this turned down for the time being. All right, put it on there. You can see where I burnt a hole and filled it in. No, you'll have that when you can't weld. I just, see right here, I just got 3 little tacks right there. I'm gonna go talk to my buddy who does exhaust. Damn, I cannot read. At least I got the out part right, but this is supposed to be up to hide that ugly weld, which it goes well with the rest of the ugly welds. But there's the cheap Amazon muffler on there. Like I said, or like I was saying, I'm gonna go to my buddy who always does my exhaust and get him to either, right here I got the stock tailpipe. Right here, I just, with what was at O'Reilly's, I couldn't make no bends to make it in. I wanted to do the DIY, but it just couldn't happen with what's in our stores and stuff. So I'm gonna go let the exhaust tube man either build me a whole tailpipe back or adapt to that one. So there we go. We'll have a running clip here in a second. Exhaust on there with the dump. Took her down the road or whatnot, and it sounds pretty good. It's not too drawn in the cab for it to have a dump. I don't know if the video's gonna do it any justice. We'll see when I start the editing process. But $20 muffler, not too much drone. Get a tailpipe out the back, it'll be nothing but bad.
You gonna make it clap, boy? Not bad.
Sound okay for a $20 muffler?
It definitely sounds like okay for a $20 muffler.